Hi guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash reveal of a Longchamp handbag dupe. Laker, come. A Longchamp Le Pliage dupe. I wanted a bag that resembled it, but I didn't want it to be a replica that is a knockoff with the name pretending to be from the company, but it's not from the company. I just wanted it to resemble the bag. I'm not very familiar with the company. I know that they come in different sizes, and I know that everyone I've spoken to about them says they're the best handbags ever. So if you're looking for a dupe and also is not leather, then this video would be for you. This is a photo from the Longchamp website of a beige Le Pliage tote. And on their website right now, it says $145 on longchamp.com. And then I bought one on AliExpress for $9.60 and free shipping. So they had 3 different sizes and I chose the color khaki. And let me zoom in, but that's the color that I chose. It had plenty of reviews, so I trust it to an extent, but also it was under $10. So the stitching is kind of trash, but not anything you would notice if you weren't literally inspecting the bag. And I know with those Longchamp bags, people love them because they fold up similarly to this. So they're really good for traveling. This is nylon and faux leather. And it took probably a month to get here. The nylon actually does feel really sturdy and thick. I thought it was going to be pretty flimsy, and I honestly wouldn't have minded it because I like totes that are not structured. Like, I like it to slouch, but I'm kind of impressed with how thick and sturdy this nylon is. I have a Rebecca Minkoff nylon backpack, and this is thicker than that. The color is cute in my eyes. And I like the size as well. Even on a day-to-day basis, I have to carry a bag about this big. Ooh, I do like it. Let me show you the stitching that I was talking about. Area there. Yeah, so it's what it would be for $10, you know what I mean? But what that almost has a leather smell. Or am I smelling like factory? Hold on. I'm gonna double check the specs because I specifically looked for something that said PU leather, faux leather. And I hope I didn't mess that up. Now I don't see, it doesn't specify, hold on. Pause. So the description does say nylon and polyester. I don't see anything about leather. And typically on that website, it'll say cowhide leather or genuine leather, and it doesn't even say leather at all on there. I think I'm probably just smelling factory. It's been a long time since I've smelled fresh leather, so maybe I just don't even remember what that smells like. Yeah. Anywho, is it ripped? Is it ripped? No. No, it's not ripped, it's just the seam is not a neat seam, so there is color of the nylon poking through, but it is sewn down. I got the size large, and I'll read you the dimensions. I'm going to put the link for this in the description below this video, or if I post it on Instagram or something, it'll be in the comments or somewhere so that you can find it. If you can't find it, you can always comment or DM me. The dimensions claim for big size, it says small, medium, big. 52 centimeters from here to here, 32 centimeters from here to the bottom, 20 centimeters from here to here, and from here, I don't know. So there's folds in this bag right now, but they will come out over time. And it's nice and light. The shoulder straps will fit pretty comfortably, I would imagine, because they're tall enough for my arm. But if that keeps happening, that's gonna annoy me. So I'll probably just start like carrying it around like this or like this. We'll see. Maybe if there's stuff in the handbag and there's some weight on it, it'll keep it on my shoulder. It has gold hardware, and that's the design on the zipper pull. Flower. There's a little strand hanging out here. On the inside, there is a small pocket and has a zipper with a pretty small pocket, especially for how large this is. This definitely could have been a bigger pocket. It's only to about here to here, here to here about. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Plus. It doesn't fit in there. It also does not fit in here. I'm sure you can use a bag organizer if you wanted, but I kind of like just throwing everything in the bag and then searching for it when I have to. It does not say Longchamp anywhere. There's a gold button there, and then on the inside it says WTB USHK. So I'm not sure what that stands for. You have this detailing on each side so that when you're zipping, you can hold on to it. No complaints about the zipper at this point. That's the other side. And the handles, I'm sure, will even out and not look so cheap after I put weight on the bag and use it. So I got a measuring tape just to see how accurate the dimensions are. They said 52 centimeters across the top. So it's the same measurement from between these faux leather pieces. So here to here it is 52 centimeters. And then here I think it said, what, 20 centimeters? That's about right as well. And then, so yeah, that's just verifying that the size is correct in comparison to what is on their website. There is a splotch. It looks like clear paint or something. Maybe whatever coating they put over this, looks like it dripped onto here. See that? Took me a while to notice it, so again, doesn't matter. It just depends what you want. If you want a Longchamp bag and the name and the brand and the quality is super important to you, good. If you're like me and you just want something similar and you're not caring that it doesn't have the name on it and you want to spend under $10, then I'll leave the link below so that you can go right to the website and right to the listing where I purchased from. Try and give you a better visual of the bag. I'm gonna just put everything in the bag that I'm using right now in here. I'm currently on school break, so I don't really have to worry about using it as a school bag, but I do think everything would fit in here just fine if I was using it for school. And the fact that it zips means I don't have to worry about stuff spilling out if it gets knocked over. The bag I'm using right now is a Walmart backpack. I wanted something to resemble the Prada backpack, you know, like the style that was popular again, probably like early 2000s. That's kind of what I wanted, and I found it there for $20. So the Walmart bag was more expensive than this. Anywho, here's a catalog for a company that I work for, Neora. I talked about it on my YouTube channel, on my social media. It's a skincare, wellness, hair care company. They don't test on animals, and it's all plant-based. So that's a catalog so that I can show people and give them a visual if they're asking me about the products I'm talking about. This is the book that I'm reading. It's from the same author as a book that I read called It's Always the Husband, and my attention span is trash. So for me to actually be excited about reading a book, which was the case for her other book, It's Always the Husband, and I really enjoyed it thoroughly from page 1 to the ending. So I bought this book from the same author, and this is called A Stranger on the Beach. And so far, same thing. I'm very intrigued and enjoying it. This is my planner. I'm gonna probably be switching out of soon. I just get bored. It's a great planner though, especially if you love like journaling as well. It has a lot of prompts in there for goal setting and journaling and self-reflection. And I got the undated one. This is called the Legend Planner. I got it on Amazon. I've talked about this before as well in a different handbag video where I switched over the stuff. A little catch-all pouch with lip gloss, some lipsticks, Band-Aids, another pouch, gum, charger, some Neora products. Excuse me. Lottery tickets. This is the pen that I keep with this planner. It's from Amazon, and it's 8 colors of gel ink. I love it. Another Sharpie pen. This is the S Gel Sharpie 0.7. I got these as a gift actually, and I'm really obsessed with them. They're my favorite pen now. Fiber One 70 calorie soft baked bar birthday cake. I liked them at one point and I don't anymore, so that's why they're just getting crushed in my bag. A little coin pouch. This was like a nail care kit or something like that from Dollar General. Another Sharpie pen, so that's 3 that I have in here. My mask. This is also from AliExpress, and I can link this down below too. This is the kind of thing that you buy. You buy this stuff from AliExpress, because otherwise if you go into a little boutique, these are going to be like $17 because it's got sparkles, and I washed it 100 times and none of the gems have fallen off, and I probably paid under $2 for it, and it's soft and it doesn't itch my ears. I'll link that down below as well. This is a wallet from Target. It's my favorite. Another Neora product. I'm gonna sample this out to someone. Anyone is interested in samples or interested in our products, let me know. I'd be happy to answer your questions. A whole bunch of gum. I actually hate spearmint. In the front pockets, I just had sanitizer. Most likely, I'll almost never be clipping or buttoning this. This would be great for the airport too. say it's comfortable enough, but this is happening. So that's an issue for me. Maybe if I crisscross them up top, I don't know. It still feels like it'll slide off. So I'll probably just start carrying it around like this. All right, so that's the whole video. I hope this was fun for you guys. If you have any questions, as always, just comment or DM me. And like I said, the links that I said I would share, I'll share them. Just take a look and keep your eyes out for those. And I'll see you in another video hopefully soon. Have a good day.